Hello everyone, welcome back and get ready for some unforgettable moments today. That shot definitely did not go the way she expected. This setup measures how quickly you can run when the speed starts increasing. She lost her balance while playing this game, but thankfully, she's completely fine. Looks like this little accident came with a pretty big repair bill. Don't try to copy this move, but thankfully she's completely fine.
Are you finished?
Thankfully, she wasn't hurt after that fall, but please be careful on slippery rocks. I went for a big dance move and nearly carried her off the floor. She took a fall, but thankfully she's completely fine.
Shoulder block here, lunging back.
He lost control in this water and ended up taking a fall.
Fun!
I took a fall, but thankfully he's completely fine. She slipped while stepping off the escalator, but thankfully she's fine.
Que me cae un rayo. No mentimos, somos fieles.
That wave hit at the perfect moment and sent him falling over. One awkward step was enough to throw off her balance. Don't worry, he took a fall, but thankfully he's completely fine. Looks like that stick was a lot tougher than he expected.
Hey, hey, 这里不能停下，这里不能停下。
Thankfully, both of them made it through that safely. I went through a little mishap, but fortunately he walked away just fine.
Run.
Looks like the mirror finally decided to fight back. Someone definitely gave this bear a little too much confidence tonight. He lost his balance on the trail, but thankfully he's completely fine.
Oh no!
Thankfully, it was only a stick, so nothing serious happened. She tried to get out of the truck, but that exit didn't go as planned. That chair gave way at the worst moment, though luckily she wasn't hurt.
У нас в холодильнике даже банки друг к другу прилипли, блядь. Ёбаный в рот.
That mossy-looking ground was much trickier than expected. Fortunately, this collision ended without anyone getting hurt. She reacted just in time and managed to catch herself.
Mga boss, una, hagis ka. Kapag wala talaga, aw, ligo ka na lang.
Linda! Linda! Oh, what the
Wait, where did he even send that ball? Luckily, he wasn't hurt, because that moment came out of nowhere. That tug sent her into the pond. Don't let the fall scare you. He ended up perfectly okay. Luckily, nobody was inside when the structure suddenly collapsed.
¿Viste? ¿Viste? No, boluda. ¿Viste? ¿Viste?
She gave the slide a try and enjoyed the ride down. She got an unexpected splash, though luckily everything turned out fine.
Go! Go, Dylan! Dylan! Oh! Go! Come on!
It looked surprising, but it was just an inflatable ball. The driver lost control of the car, and thankfully, everyone was safe.
Our little girl's all grown.
That's all for today. Thanks for staying with us, and we'll see you in the next video.
724.